stock market.
All right, what up? We're back. We're back. Day number 2. Like I said, I'm not gonna mess around. I'm gonna be here. Not missing any more shows. So hope you guys are doing okay. Welcome to the show, the Crypto Hour. I'm here every single day, 5 p.m., 6 p.m. CST. Let me actually put a tweet out real quick. And yeah, we're here, man, for another crazy show as usual. Let me quickly check something real quick. Give me 1 second, man. I want to check something because I went crazy today on Twitter. I just want to see exactly how many replies I had today. Actually, that was high as I thought, man. Wednesday, no, today's Wednesday. Today's Tuesday. I'm so confused. Yeah, no, it's my thought. Tuesday. Okay, cool. Hey, man, hope you guys doing okay. Welcome to the show. We're gonna start in a couple of minutes. Just give me a sec. I need to do one more thing real quick. Give me 1 second. My brain. Yes, I was gonna share that we're live. So let me just post this up right now. And just bear with me, guys. I hope you guys doing okay. Happy Tuesday to all of you wonderful people. It's been a great time being back. I did miss, 7 freaking days, man, which is crazy. I never missed a show for that long, man. That's nuts. But I'm back fully. I don't need to, I guess my kids have a lot of sporting events going on. And I basically decided so the events ended, they finished. So I'm back. I'm fully back. All right. So the Crypto Hour is live. The Crypto Hour. The Crypto Hour is live. All right. I'm just making a tweet real quick and we'll start the show. All right. Hey, hope you guys doing okay, man. It's been a good day for me. I mean, a lot of us, I'm sure if you follow me, you know what I'm talking about. Thank you for all the people on YouTube watching, on Twitter live watching. I appreciate all of you. You guys are awesome as usual. But yeah, man, it's been a good day. I think the market is still kind of acting weird because I guess it's going back up a little bit. There is news of the government shutdown might be over, and I think that's probably why the market is acting very strange right now. But yeah, man, I think it's yeah, we'll talk about this in a second, man. We'll talk about this. Let me check polka dots because that thing went nuts yesterday. It went down a little bit. Okay, cool. All right, James, all of you, thank you for coming to the show. Welcome to the Crypto Hour. Let me open up my screen for you guys real quick, and we can start this fucking show, man. Hope you guys doing okay. And you guys can hear me. Let me make sure my audio is good, right? Let me make sure audio is good because normally when I go live, I have some issues with audio. So just check, make sure my audio is golden. Let's see.
It's weeding the garden. It's like picking up all the
Now
garbage.
you made the robot Mexican, bro. That's pretty racist. I won't be in rush.
Okay, yes. Audio's good. Audio's good. Audio's perfect. All right, let me open up Coin Market Cap. After that, we'll take a look at the headlines real quick. We'll do a quick look at the markets and see what's going on here. Things are weird, man, when it comes to prices. Like I said, I think just the uncertainty. There is a lot of uncertainty with the markets, uncertainty with what's it called? Share screen with the stock markets, with the crypto markets, with the tariffs news and the shutdown and all this noise. Whenever there's uncertainty, the prices are usually shaky. Normally, probably goes down, man. Usually, so that's the reason why I believe. I mean, the past 24 hours, right? Daily, we're actually pretty down on 24 hours, man. But I'm bullish, man. I'm bullish now because the things are looking good finally, right? Finally. So you guys will see my screen. Yes, you can. Let's take a look at the prices real quick, man. I haven't really even checked these prices today. I really haven't. So right now we got Bitcoin at 103,187, down 2.9%. We got Ethereum at 3,430, down 3.9%. We got XRP at 2.39, down 5%. BNB is 960, down 3%. Solana is 155, down 7%. We got Tron kind of sideways, but up 0.29 right now. Cardano 0.5, Dogecoin 0.1726, Hyperliquid 38. Yeah, man. Things are weak, man. Things are weak. This because we saw Hyperliquid at like 60, now it's at 39. I saw Chainlink went as high as like 29, now it's at 15. So these numbers are interesting to me right now. Sui was over $3 now. Look at Sui at 2.01, probably about to break below $2. Avalanche is at 14. Zcash had a monstrous rise recently. Zcash went from like $80 to like 600, 700, and now down 14%, down to 449. But Zcash looks pretty bullish. People like it from nowhere, I guess. Monero also doing pretty good, but down 4%. Nothing too crazy. Polkadot up 22%. I don't know why. I have to figure that out. I don't know why it went up that high. That's pretty crazy. But yeah, man, overall, to be honest with you, things are not looking as bad. That's what I think. So yeah. So let's take a look at the let's see. Let's look at the markets real quick. Check the chat, make sure we're good. Nobody's texting. Perfect. All right. Okay, what do we have here, man? What do we have here? We got Fear and Greed Index at 31. We're creeping back up a little bit. Fear and Greed Index at 31. We're still at fear still. Because what happens is whenever the market's at fear, there's a lot of uncertainty. Right now, usually people buy when you see the fear indicator show up. Right now, we have fear. I haven't bought anything yet, right? I'm waiting for, if we do go to extreme fear, that's when I buy. And we haven't seen that yet in like 6-7 weeks, man. So we have a long time before that happens. Or we could go back up to bullish greed or extreme greed. So, but this indicator is what I use that tells you what to do. And the website I'm using right now is coinmarketcap.com. I love this site because this is where I get I'm able to get my info from. And tell you guys what's going on. As of right now, the total crypto market cap, the entire market cap of crypto is 3.4 trillion right now. When things were booming, we hit about 4.4 trillion. We've lost about $1 trillion from crypto, like gone. And I think, like I said, that's what drives the prices down. Volume is still necessarily pretty good at 176 billion. As long as we are above 100 billion in trading volume, that means there's still interest in crypto. If the volume drops below 100 billion, then people are not interested. But right now, we still have some interest, mostly from big money bags or whales. Whales are the ones that are actually playing in this market. And as you see right here, in the past 30 days, look at how the market cap of crypto. Look at how much money we've been losing in the past 30 days. A lot of money just being lost, man. All the way down right here. Let me look at the past 1 year. Actually, it's pretty good, man. 1 year. I mean, it's pretty good 1 year, right? But as of right now, we've lost about $1 trillion, man, already. These are ETFs right here. Actually, not too bad. So that's why I'm like, I think we're probably going to see a pump soon. Because if you look at the past, this is from October 13th, and today's date is November 11th. So basically, in the past 30 days, we've had more days of outflows from the ETFs than inflows. So basically, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Basically, 5 to 6 days of inflows in the past 1 month. But we have almost, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, actually 14 days of outflows. Estimates, right? Estimated number, 14 days of ETF outflows. So a lot of whales, big money bags, or BlackRock, and all these massive companies are selling, are net sellers in the past 30 days for the ETFs, and that's what's causing. I could assume that this is contributing to the downward trend we're seeing, but I think this is probably going to flip pretty soon because we've had in the recently. So this is basically October 28th. Right now, November 11th. So basically, in the past 2 weeks, we've had. Let me see. I'll tell you about. Damn, 1.2 billion. Yeah, man. We've had about $4 billion worth of outflows, leaving about 3 to $4 billion leaving the ETFs. This is contributing to the prices going down like they are. And I'm sure that these big money bags, right, these institutions, they use the ETFs to manipulate the markets. But as of right now, it looks like we've had a very strong sell-off from the ETFs, from Bitcoin ETF and Ethereum ETF for the past 2 weeks. So I'm assuming we're going to have something go up. We haven't had a really strong upward buy for the ETFs. Last one we had was October 27th. So about 2 weeks ago, one day. And the last one was like October 20, right? So it's been a while, but recently, I haven't seen them. We want something like this. Can you see that? Look at this spike. Look at these massive spikes. We want this. This right here was $3 billion worth of ETF inflows, buying on one day. And this was April 20. What was Bitcoin on April 20? Let me check. I'll tell you guys right now what this stuff was, because I believe these people, they use the ETFs to manipulate the markets, man. I really believe so. So actually, let me look at the highest day. $4.5 billion worth of ETF buys, and this was September 28th. So let me check September 28th. What was Bitcoin September 28th? September 28th, what was Bitcoin? Let's check the past 3 months. No, we need to go. Actually, that's recent, right? 2025. Yes, September 28th. Let me see. So we're basically about almost all-time high. We were like about 123,000. I think between 100 and let me see, between 114 to 122,000. This is what I'm trying to tell you guys. That's why I'm like, we're probably due for a pump soon. We're due for a pump soon because in the recent history, we've had a lot of negative outflows. As of today, see, look what I tell you, very small amounts. Basically, this was November 9th. That's on Friday, right? Is that Friday? Today's 11th, Tuesday. So today's 11th, Tuesday, 10. So basically Friday. Let's say Friday, between Friday and Sunday, there's been basically zero sales of Ethereum and only $12 million worth of Bitcoin sold from the ETFs, which means to me we are due for a positive trend because we've had such a negative outflow from the ETFs recently. We're due for a positive inflow, massive ones, which will drive the prices up. Yes. So and what else? So let's talk about this Bitcoin dominance. I talk about this almost every single day. As you guys know, Bitcoin dominance above 50% is not alt season. It's Bitcoin season. Bitcoin season. We've been on Bitcoin season for the past almost 2 years, man. So we haven't had really, really bullish numbers, man, as far as this dominance. You want alt season, you need Bitcoin dominance to go below 50%. Below 50% in the past 1 year. In the past 1 year, the lowest Bitcoin dominance is going down is 53%, which means we're not anywhere near where we should be when it comes to alt season. So right now, Bitcoin still dominates the markets in the entire market of crypto, everything combined. Bitcoin owns 59.5% of everything. Ethereum has 11.9%, and everything else is 28%. So we have a long way to go, guys. A very, very long way to go when it comes to alt season. All right, let's take a look at the some headlines real quick. Give me a second. The next site I use is called Crypto Panic. I love this site because this site gives me all the news I need, tells me everything I need to know. It's freaking awesome. I love this site, man. All right. All right. Let's see. Okay, let me change to all. It's called CryptoPanic.com. Panic, Panic, CryptoPanic.com. That's the site I use. All right, let me open this up real quick. Man, I have a cold, man. It's then I think I got a shot my arm. I got a cold or something. It's getting a little bit chilly in Texas, so a little bit cold. All right. According to a quant, it's a good time to buy. Crypto Quant CEO says Bitcoin upside likely. Like I said already, of course, I believe that we've had such a brutal price action. It's time for numbers to go up, man. Yeah. Bitcoin evolves as beyond technology unlocks new possibilities. Yeah, true. Trump's Bitcoin prediction, crypto future exposed. Cool. Okay. Bitcoin narrowly holds steady above 106,000. No, Bitcoin is at 103,000 right now. So not holding too steady. Trump's nominee, Michael Selig, to face Senate as CFTC braces for crypto reforms. All this is all politics, is noise. I don't even know why we're talking about this, man. Okay. User revolt erupts as X character AI quits post. China China accuses US of orchestrating a $13 billion Bitcoin theft. So China is accusing America, the US, that US stole 13 billion from them. It's probably true. I think there was a China based on my bro Landy. He's a Bitcoin person, so he has some information. He was saying this on our show earlier today, man. He said there was a Taiwanese or Chinese citizen that stole like 13 billion Bitcoin or something, but the US government arrested him and seized the Bitcoin and now kept it for themselves. That's pretty funny. Yeah. US is not giving China back their freaking Bitcoin. That is not gonna happen. Coinbase stablecoin startup BNVK walk away from $2 billion deal. I wonder why that is. That's very interesting. Why they walk away from that? More surprising names on Wednesday. Semicolon XRP really. Okay. Bitwise Chainlink ETF progresses with DTCC listing. Yeah, Chainlink's doing it, guys. We're gonna have ETFs a lot probably next year. I thought we're probably gonna have a lot more towards the end of the year, but I think the government shut down and all this bullshit, all this junk kind of slow shit down. But I think it's probably gonna, be much better sometime next year. We're gonna get a lot of ETF launches next year, 100%. That is a fact. I got a cold, man. It's messing me up, man. All right. What else? Bitcoin sell side liquidity hits multi-year low as supply in loss drops to 5 million. I don't know. Okay. I think just saying that basically selling Bitcoin is dropped to all-time low, basically. I mean, people not selling the Bitcoin, man. No, they're not. They're moving it off exchanges. Yeah, that's why the supply on exchanges for Bitcoin is actually pretty low too. Yeah. All right. Bitcoin. I'm sorry. JP Morgan's insane Bitcoin price prediction. You got to see this. Oh my god. I don't. I hate this predictor shit. It's very annoying, but I guess I'll take a look, man. Oh, they write it, or is it video? Yeah, I'm not fucking watching that. No, fuck them. We're not doing that. So basically, 170K. How's that wild? That's not wild. What do you mean? 170K bitcoins now. It's not that far. Is that double? That's not even a double. No, it's not even, right now. Bitcoin is 100 and what 3K, 106K. Getting to 170K. That's not even a double. Of course, it's very possible, man. That's not outrageous, man. No. What else? What else? What else? Bitmain stock drops to 37%. Can a 397 million Ethereum bets spark a winter rebound? So there's this company, Bitmain. They bought a lot of ETH, like probably a couple, like 300-400 million worth of Ethereum. But like they're not gonna spend that much money and just walk away after a price dips. That makes no sense. And remember, whenever Ethereum staking launches, these guys make the money back easy because they're getting yield from staking Ethereum. So they didn't even have to worry about selling. They would just basically sell their ETH, or they would just stake their ETH, get yield, and they could use that to buy more ETH. So not like this headline sometimes are very nuts. What else? What else? Argentina freezes Hayden Davis assets as Libra probes closes in on Malay inner circle. So remember, the Argentinian president launched a meme coin, and it wasn't him, I guess, but he endorsed it. I think it was his sister. The president's sister was the one, talking to this Hayden Davis. And this guy helps people to helps influencers to launch meme coins, man. They make a lot of money or whatever. So yeah. Okay. Uniswap surges. Uniswap, that decentralized exchange on ETH. Uniswap surges 73% as whale activity hits 4-year high, and token burn proposal gains momentum. Solana's Solana ETFs record 10 consecutive days of inflow, surpassing 340 million since launch. That's pretty cool. I'm not sure if it's in the US still, right? I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. Because we don't have an ETF in America yet. I'm not. No. It might be a foreign ETF, but yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty good. Pro XRP lawyer John Deaton. The funny thing is, I've interviewed him before. That was pretty cool. We interviewed him last year, right? Yeah, he came to our show. He was running he was running for senator of Massachusetts. He was going against Elizabeth Warren. And he came to our show, come talk to us. So I interviewed him. That's pretty cool. He's a very nice guy. I hoped he won, but he didn't. He actually lost the race. Oh, look at this. Pro XRP lawyer John Deaton is running for senator in Massachusetts again. That is awesome. And maybe he can come to our show again. Yeah, man, that's pretty freaking awesome, man. I like people that actually are net positive for crypto, net positive. So the woman he's going against is anti-crypto, big time. So I hope he wins. Oh boy, we'll throw our support behind him. We'll see. I hope he wins though. Ethereum whale behind $200 million October short closes all longs. What does he know? So this whale from ETH had a $200 million I guess long or something. It closed all his long, so he's expecting more downside. I'm assuming it might be. I'm assuming it might be because the shutdown is about to end. And it's possible that whenever the shutdown ends, people are expecting the market to pump. We can actually get a dump because we saw where weird thing go on when the shutdown happened. We actually pumped for a while, right? We pumped when the U.S. government shutdown happened. Market pumped. People were going crazy, excited, and we dumped, and we kind of recovering right now, and it looks like we're going up, but I'm not sure exactly when this shutdown officially ends. But from the information I saw online on Twitter, the news is it probably ends soon. That's the word on the street. It ends this week. This week it ends. Um. What else? What else? What else? Clear Token secures UK approval to settle crypto and tokenized assets under FCA oversight. So we have more crypto companies getting licenses overseas. Right now, remember, the crypto industry is still very unregulated as a whole. And for the crypto industry to have ungodly amount of money, liquidity into the system, we need regulations across the board, everywhere. And until that happens, we're not going to have full investments like it should. There's still investments in crypto right now. Yes, they still are, but we need more. We need a lot more. And we the liquidity in crypto is very low. If you compare it to other markets, it's very low. But we need our liquidity to come soon. Zcash shielded pool climbs up to 23% of supply as network usage surges. So it's very simple. Price goes up, usage surges. That's how it goes, man. Same thing happened with Ethereum, where ETH was at the bottom of the bottom. Recently, man. I think it's like end of last year, right? Oh no. It was recent, like when ETH was like 1,400 or something. And they were calling for like a $300 ETH, and people were like just didn't want to touch it. That was the best time to buy ETH. But and it rose up. It really did, man. And it was really cool. So I don't know. Zcash went up to 3%. We'll see what happens. But I mean, I like Zcash, I guess, but I don't think you should be buying Zcash, man, because a lot of whales where the moment they start shilling this thing, man, it's time to sell, man. Fuck that. They shield tokens to people and they dump on people. That's what they do, man. It doesn't make any sense. So Bitcoin will explode. Jack Myers bold prediction. Cool. XRP to decouple from Bitcoin and end the volatility. Okay. Ethereum is the infrastructure of Wall Street, says. This is what I'm trying to tell you. Like, you guys have to understand this, right? The reason why I'm more bullish on ETH than Bitcoin, because actually ETH has use cases. Many, not even just ETH, right? Any blockchain that's scaled, has users that people are bullish on. But as of right now, Ethereum is Wall Street play toy for real, because they could build a whole NFTs, RWAs, AI, DeFi, freaking DeSci, AI/crypto. You could do this all on ETH, on their layer 2s, their layer 1s. A whole bunch of things can be built on ETH, and that's the reason. So even look at the stable coins. To me, stable coins, a lot of it, most stable coins in crypto are on top of Ethereum. So that's why I'm like, ETH is gonna go a lot higher. It just seems like right now things not moving. I see a future within the next 3 to 4 years. I see a future of like a lot of people actually using Bitcoin and actually realizing, I'm saying, using Ethereum and all these blockchain networks, and not actually realizing they're using blockchain. That's the future I envision. Jim Cramer saying strong message. I mean, U.S. government shutdown. Who gives a fuck? Coinbase backs out of the $2 billion deal with BVNK. We spoke about that already. Chainlink outflow is data by Signal. Coinbase terminate $2 billion acquisition. I'm sure maybe they found something in the books because they were actually excited about the acquisition. I think Coinbase as a company probably found something and they backed out after the deal. Maybe that's what I'm just guessing. China accuses US of stealing $13 billion in Bitcoin. That's the funniest shit, man. Because so now that you're accused and you think they're gonna give you a Bitcoin back, that's not gonna fucking happen, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. SoFi Technologies launches direct crypto trading for bank users. Yeah, so a lot of these companies are gonna have crypto trading. A lot of it, I just cannot believe like how far we've come, but we have a long way to go. We've come a long way. We have a long way to go. There's still a lot of people that are on the street that have no idea what the Solana is, what the Phantom is, what Uniswap is, what Ethereum is, what the NFT is, what all the shit that's being built on the AI stuff. They have no fucking idea, man. And but that's why we have a long way to go, guys. We really, really do. So this was from 3 hours ago. The U.S. House will vote at 4 p.m. tomorrow to reopen the government, and as Trump expects a positive outcome. The last time it reopened, Bitcoin rallied. See what I'm saying? Who knows, man? Like I said, I think market might come down. Who the hell knows? But Bitcoin rallied 300% in 5 months. After they opened the governments, and I'm not sure when the last time the government shut down, but based on history, Bitcoin pumped 3x. Guys, the market's not the same, guys. Your markets is not the same. Bitcoin is much higher. You're not doing a 3 fucking x right now, man. I don't know, but it's hard to say, right? To me, I think we're not gonna go up. I think we're gonna go down because I just feel like now that the news is out, it's already priced in. People think the markets are going to go up. The whales are not going to be buying right now. They already bought. They bought the dip already, man. They already bought. So I don't know. They might buy more dips. Who knows? It's difficult to predict these things. I'm not gonna lie. It's very, very difficult. Canary Funds Spot XRP ETF set to launch as soon as Thursday. Like I said before, I told you guys a lot of ETFs going to be coming out, but I don't think this year. Next year is when we're going to see a whole bunch of ETFs coming out. Yeah. U.S. regulators issue new guidelines. Man. U.S. regulators issue new guidelines enabling staking for crypto exchanges traded funds. That's ETFs. I told you guys, right? So they're not officially live yet. There's probably going to be, it'll take a while, but once they all go live, expect a lot more positive buys from institutions because now they can earn yield on their purchases, which they absolutely fucking love. Public Bitcoin miner CleanSpark plans $1 million raise. Cool. Russian couple found buried. Whoa. Why are they talking about this in a crypto website? That's weird. Nasdaq listed IP strategy partners with Crypto.com for IP token management. Wait, is that Story Protocol? That's pretty crazy, man. But we'll see. Like I said, guys, a lot of things are happening, man, in the background. We just don't know yet, right? A lot of things happening in the background. All right, let's keep going here. This new AI token dropped. This new AI token dropped 50% despite Coinbase and Binance listing. Or Allora, I think, right? Allora. Yeah, that happens all the time. So whenever you get a positive news, you do the opposite. So you think that, okay, a token launches on Coinbase, you will pump. This thing dumped 50%. 50% dump. See what I'm saying about how when the official news comes out for the U.S. government shut down, we could see something like that where the market just kind of dumps even more. Who the hell knows, man? I don't like predicting shit. Like it's difficult to say. 3 years after FTX collapse, then my phone's about to die, man. My charger. It's okay. 3 years after FTX's collapse, creditors wait as industry rebuilds trust. So basically, they haven't paid 3 years. Can you imagine? 3 years of losing your money and they haven't paid you yet, man. That's so fucked up. That is so fucked up, man. Ethereum tightens its grip on tokenized asset. I told you guys already, man. This is what I said about ETH, man. Like ETH is very is more volatile than Bitcoin, but at the same time, it has more use cases, man. And excuse me. Oh god. And these institutions, man, are very excited, man. Very, very bullish on this shit. Let's see. What was this? Where can I buy the ALX 349 token during the pre-sale? Oh, Jason, I don't know, bro. I don't know. Where can you buy the? Let me see. Pre-sale. Twitter is your answer. The funny thing is, you could actually ask Twitter AI. AI and crypto. That's the alpha, man. That's the alpha. Let me see. ALX 2049. Where can you buy it? Let's see. Pre-sale. During the pre-sale. ALX 2049. 2049. I put ALZ ALX 2049. What token is this? Yeah, there's a lot of tweets about this, man. There's a whole bunch. Actually, not too much. Yeah, I'm not sure, bro. I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. I don't see too much about this though. But yeah, I'm not sure, bro. All right. Let's keep going. Let's keep fucking going, man. Let's go. We got a lot of headlines to cover. We have how much more time do we have on the show? Oh, we have a good 23 minutes. We have a good time. We're making great time. The reason why I like this site or this show is because of course I do other shows, but this one this one I like it because I focus on the macro, like the show. You're zooming out, right? You're not necessarily looking at the day to day. You're looking at all the macro news that basically surrounds the crypto industry, and that's why I like this show. On my other shows, yeah, we talk about token prices and all that meme coin shit and airdrops and making money. But this show is different. Basically, this is why I hold like I do. This is why I sell when I need to, because I'm seeing what the whales are doing and all the headlines that's being talked about around crypto. This website gives me everything. I know a lot just because I go through this shit every fucking day, man. Excuse me. Mega ETH revokes $1 million token sale allotment after influencer posts trading plans. Wow. Yeah, people that you have an influencer, man, keep that shit to yourself, man. Keep that shit to yourself. Like, you don't be talking about what you're doing. Like at that level, that's too much. Here's why BlackRock thinks altcoin ETFs are totally worthless. But it doesn't matter what BlackRock thinks; it's already happening, man. Like they're filing for it. It's like, what are you gonna do? The market wants it. The market gets it. That's how this shit works. Verity users positive refund updates in Balancer post hack recovery. I guess Verity users got hacked from Balancer. Man, guys. I don't lie to you guys, man. I'm bullish on DeFi and all that shit, but man, I've got hacked too many times. I don't put too much money anymore on the only place I trust enough is any DeFi platform that's been around for a long time, that's lived the test of time, like Aave and MakerDAO. Yeah, man. Aave is what I use. They have billions and billions of dollars in Aave. It's insane. And that's why I like Aave because they've been around for a long time. A lot of whales use it. A lot of institutions use it, but Berry chain is new, right? I don't like using chains like that anymore, man. I've lost much money. Because when you get hacked, there's no fucking refund. Your money is gone, man. That's it. So I hate losing money in crypto, especially when it's like a hack or some shit like that. Because there's nothing you could fucking do, man. You lose money on in from hacks. There's nothing you could do. There's no bank to call. There's no refund. All that shit, man. Most of the time, they give refunds sometimes, but a lot of times your money's gone, man. You get hacked, your money's fucking gone. So, all right. What else? What else? What else? Uh, the jailed $6 billion Bitcoin fraudster who wanted to be Liberland's queen. What? Sometimes these headlines are kind of weird. I'm not gonna lie. Interesting. XRP lawyer runs again for U.S. Senate. I want this guy to win, man, because I think he didn't he didn't he didn't have the full backing of the crypto industry, and I think when he was campaigning, it was very early. But I think this time is going at this chick. I don't know. I want her to lose. But I can't stand this chick, man. I can't stand her. She's so shady. So I really hope I really hope he wins. Because the more crypto friendly senators you have in the Senate, we push a positive agenda for the crypto industry. That's the reason why I fucking want more crypto friendly senators to run for office, man, and to win. Yep. What else? What else? What else? Ethereum sees first sustainable value exit since proof of stake shift. Okay. What else? What else? What's going on over here? Grayscale expands Solana ETF access with options trading launch. Cool. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? Yeah, the news not that much going on anymore, man. Uh, banking crisis, Uniswap again, Zcash again. Yeah, so the news repeating. Yeah, so we could go to Twitter, man, because normally what I do is if the headlines are getting are starting to repeat itself, what I do is I switch to Twitter. I switch to Twitter and get headlines from there. So let me do that shit real quick, man. Give me 1 second. As a matter of fact, let me check because I'm streaming live on YouTube now. My phone's there. I waited to check YouTube, but man, fucking phone's dead, man. All right. Let me switch to Twitter. Let's see what's going on Twitter. Today was a big day for a lot of crypto people. I let me check. Let me check that. Can I check it? I want to look at Magic Eden. Can I look at that? I want to look at the NFT that we bought today. NFT, the hyped NFT right now. I want to see because I bought a couple. I want to buy more. I don't have enough. Oh no, that's not it. All right, where's the World Chain NFT, man? Where is it? Ooh, okay, it's going down, man. 3.9. Yeah, so yeah. So yeah, I think it's a buy. I think it's a buy, man. I will buy this. I'll buy this today. 3.9 so it's not a problem. I already have a couple. Oh no. Sorry. 4.1. It is this NFT I'm looking at. How many how many are for sale? Only Okay, it's $641. Yeah, just buy one or more and hold it, see what happens. But yeah, I'm bullish on on these guys, man. I really am. So I'm gonna buy another one today. So let me share my screen real quick so you guys see what I'm looking at. Sorry about that. Share screen. All right, that's my Twitter page. So, like I said, once I finish headlines, and let me just jump into this shit real quick. Um, I would say though that definitely give me a follow for sure. If you guys can, that'd be awesome. Sure. If you're on YouTube, this is my Twitter page. If you're on Twitter, follow me for sure. Absolutely. Yeah, man, I'm bullish, man. I'm bullish. I'm bullish what's going on over here. All right. Let's see. This is let me see, man. Home. All right. Oh, what's happening over here? Uh the last dance. Yes, you heard that right. This is the final video I'm dropping of a liners leaderboard before we go public. Ooh, let me see my rank. Let me take a look at this. This is a project we're on. What's my rank? I was ranked number 7. I hope I'm still holding strong. Yeah, still number 7, man. Still number 7. Yeah. So let me see. Yeah, people are getting. I guess I have a decent mind share, man. Not bad, not bad. Not bad, 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 not bad. Let me take a screenshot of this shit, and I'll post this shit later. Post it later. All right. Yeah, man. So look at my Twitter. See what's going on right now. So let's see. My page is filled with InfoFi projects, right? Wall chain space, right? Wall chain InfoFi is popping off right now. What's happening over here? InfoFi Live went to GE. This is probably Zeet, right? I think. Who knows? Believers will win. Quack head coach. Yes. I agree. Yeah, man. I mean, my feed is filled with info fights. You guys might not learn anything from me. It's filled. So let me see if I can do something else. But let me see. Let me see. Following. Let me see what people I'm following. What are they posting? Are they posting anything interesting? Let's find out. More info fight. Guys, my entire feed is all about making money, man. Like people don't care. Like the market's been rough lately. It's been rough lately, man, for a lot of people. So they don't give a damn, man. They want to make that money, man. So and I think that's on my feed is just packed with money making opportunities, man. That's all I see. That's truly all I see right now. But yeah, man, I think it's all gravy though. I think it's all gravy, man. I think it's all gravy. There's nothing going on, guys. So and now you know what? Let me see, man. We have some time. Who's this? Will the pre-sale be short soon? Yeah, bro. I don't know, bro. All right. We got like 15 minutes left. What can we talk about? The markets, right? We'll talk real quick. Right now, crypto, where we headed? Are we going up or are we going down? It's hard to say. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It's not hard to say. The reason why it's hard to say because crypto as a whole is tied to the U.S. stock markets, and the U.S. stock market has been breaking all-time highs recently. Of course, had a little dip, whatever, but it's hard to say because we're tied to the hip with the S&P 500. If the U.S. stock market breaks down, crypto is going to crash. If the U.S. stock market goes up, we're going to go crazy. So it's very hard to say, though. I'm not going to lie to you guys. But I truly believe that we're probably going to see a trend up. That's what I think. I don't know, man. Like it's hard to say, right? It's very hard to say. But in my avenue, um, what I'm doing, I don't look at prices every day, guys. I don't really care about price every day because it doesn't really hurt me or help me in any way. I look at prices when things are very, very, very bad or very, very, very good. I look at prices when things are very, very, very bad so I can buy. I look at prices when things are very, very, very good so I can sell. But as of right now, we're ranging like crazy, man. Well, I call this a crab market for a lot of tokens, man. So that's why I'm like, it's difficult to tell if we're gonna, if prices go up or down from here. But as a whole, as long as you're active, you're doing shows like this, you're coming to the shows, you're learning, you're trading, you're buying NFTs, you're selling NFTs, you're getting airdrops, you're being active. Once you're active, it distracts you away from looking at prices every single day, man. You know what I mean? Because I just know that like I can't fucking do that shit, man. Like look at price every day, I can't do that. It's just too much stress. People stress too much, and I just think it doesn't work for me. It really, really doesn't. Like I can't stress, man. I really, really can't. It's just the way it is. Um, but yeah, man. But I would implore you just find what works for you, right? Everybody's different. For me, I'm big on airdrops. I'm big on NFT trading. I'm big on doing spaces, then hosting shows every single fucking day. Just building, man. So it distracts me from looking at prices every day. So, but as of right now, the market is interesting, man. Like the liquidity is low, right? And we just saw the ETFs go down recently, and I mean the ETF outflows, right? We've had like the past 30 days, we've had a very major outflow. People are selling more ETF, Bitcoin ETF and ETH ETF than they're buying. And if that's the case, you're gonna have a negative price action. But the more they sell, the the more likely we're gonna have a pump soon. And that's the reason why I'm not worried personally. No, I'm not even close, man. But today was we had the World Chain NFT Mint go live today. It was a big deal. A lot of people from different ecosystems came through from the Bitcoin ecosystem, Solana trenches, Ethereum people, Near people, just all over the place. They all came together to buy this NFT and host spaces all day. It was a lot of fun, man. But um the floor price for the NFT was like 400 and was 400 and um was 400 and 60, what's it called, like what, like 400 and like $20 or something. So but people sold theirs and they sold it for like $100 gain or $80 gain or something. But I I'm really big on platforms that have a lot to prove. And this collection is very slow. So I mean, there's no reason why you can be getting rewarded for this NFT. So I believe the more NFT you hold, the better it is. I hold a couple, I want to get more. Um and it was a good day though. So if you got the NFT, big ups to you. The prices right now to me might be a good time to buy. I don't know. I'm just saying, in my opinion, who knows? Based on history, hype mints, the hype goes down, right? They're not gonna reveal the NFT for a while because right now we're holding the NFT we can't even see. And I hope it's dope. I really hope it's dope because if it is, people would change their PFPs to the Quack NFT. But I want to buy one. I know I want to buy more just because of I don't have enough. I don't have enough, man. So that's the reason why I want to buy another one. Yeah, yeah, man. So what else? What else? What else? What else? Tomorrow is Wednesday. Nothing else popping off. It was Wednesday. What else is going on? But I think the government shutdown in the US is the biggest driving factor for the uncertainty. Are we going up? Are we going down? Are we going to crash? Nobody knows. But I think uh, the government reopened this week. Yes. So that's why it's really difficult to say where the market goes from here, right? I'm leaning towards going down because many people are expecting the market to pump because of the shutdown. Because the government opens again, so who knows? What else? What else? What else? But yeah, nothing else popping off, man. To be honest with you, but I'm still bullish. I'm bullish always, man. I'm bearish whenever we start seeing hysteria. We haven't even seen anywhere near that yet, man. Not even close. And I'm bearish whenever we see extreme greed in on the fear and greed index, which we haven't seen in a long time. We haven't seen an extreme greed. I don't even remember. I have to go look at that shit. It's been a while. So, but I think right now, just stay active, join different communities, go on spaces, go talk to people on spaces, contribute, start doing your own shows, start hosting spaces. Buy NFTs that you think are of value. Buy things that are dead. Like basically, this is time to buy things that are absolutely dead. That's what you should be doing right now. Yeah, man. So yeah, I think that's what people should do. But I don't think people should be fearful right now. We're not anywhere near we should be. I think we're going a lot higher for sure. Yeah, that's what I believe. That's what I think is gonna happen. But yeah, man, I'm freaking bullish, guys. I really am. So this year we're already in November. 2025 was a good year. It really was. And we're getting towards 2026. I think we're gonna end the year strong, but I think next year will be the year of stablecoins and the year of ETFs. Those are the two things that's probably gonna happen next year. The year of stablecoins and the year of ETFs. So we're gonna see a lot of those things come to fruition. But I don't know. Prices are the prices. Can we hit 200K Bitcoin, 10K, 50K ETH? Absolutely, we can. Where the numbers not too far away. That's the thing, right? The numbers are very, very close to hitting those high prices, man. They really are. But I'm excited, guys. I'm excited. So guys, let me end this show here, man. I don't think I have too much to say anymore. But till tomorrow, I'll be back again, 6 p.m. CST, for another episode of the Crypto Hour. And yeah, bullish, man, bullish on everyone, guys. Thank you. I appreciate you always. I'll thank you guys always for all the support that you give. I think it's a beautiful thing. Doing these shows, started doing it, didn't really have that many viewers, and we average between 100 live viewers to like 500, man. On the weekend is when the viewers go up. So thank you guys for all your support, man. It's really, really cool to see that. But so tomorrow I'll be back 6 p.m. CST. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. And as always, let me take my screenshots. I always take my screenshots. I take my screenshots to thank you. I post this every single day I go live on my page. I always do, just to thank you guys for all your support, man, because I can't do this fucking show without you guys, man. So yep, like always, smile with the peace sign. Thank you guys for all your support, man. You guys are awesome, man. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. You guys are fucking legends, man. I have to go eat some food, man. Did I even eat today? Yeah, I ate a little bit. I ate some rice and some chicken. They're very, very small. Let me go eat, man. I'm fucking hungry. I'll see you guys again later, man. Much love, guys. Bless you, bless you, bless you. Thank you for all your support, guys. You guys are absolute legends, man. You guys are fucking awesome. Thank you. Peace out, peace out, peace out. I'll see you guys again soon.